Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best pellet stove pipe brush is probably one of the most important tools for maintaining your pellet stove, ensuring optimal performance and preventing dangerous creosote buildup. Regular cleaning of your stovepipe is crucial for safety and efficiency, and the right brush makes the job significantly easier and more effective, saving you time and potential costly repairs down the line. This video will help you choose the best brush for your needs, considering factors like pipe diameter, brush length, and bristle material. Number 5. Rutland 3 Pellet Vent Brush. This innovative brush makes cleaning your dryer vents and pellet stovepipes a breeze. Its flexible design and soft bristles ensure a thorough clean without causing damage. Reach those hard-to-reach areas with ease. The 10-foot handle bends and flexes to navigate any pipe configuration. The 3-inch brush head is perfect for most dryer vents and pellet stovepipes. Its durable poly bristles are gentle yet effective. It's designed with soft bristles that won't scratch or damage your pipes. Keep your vents and pipes in top condition. Say goodbye to clogged vents and hello to efficient appliance performance. It's the simple solution for a cleaner, safer home. Cleaning your dryer vents and pellet stovepipes has never been easier. This brush will save you time and effort. What we like. It boasts a 10-foot long handle and 3-inch brush head, perfect for reaching deep into those hard-to-reach areas. The soft bristles ensure your pipes stay scratch-free. If you need to clean hard-to-reach areas, this is the best choice for you. What people say. It worked just right. It goes in easy and around the elbows nice. I had to straighten out the rod under some hot water. I have a cubic mini cub wood stove with a 3-metal pipe. This brush works perfectly to clean out the pipe. 10 foot is exactly the right length for my setup too. Coils right back up for compact, easy storage. Would recommend. This product worked well, but I have some advice. I recommend taking the time to use a blow dryer and straighten the tubing. Moreover, I also applied a small amount of tape at the end and made sure it was sturdy before putting it down the stove. All in all, it preformed well, but I was very careful. Number 4. Brushtech B67C Cleaning Kit. Maintaining your pellet stove has never been easier. This kit provides all the necessary tools for thorough cleaning and optimal performance. Its 10-foot long flexible brush easily navigates vent pipes up to 3 inches in diameter. Reach those hard-to-reach areas for a complete clean. Say goodbye to stubborn residue. This brush is designed to effectively remove buildup and ensure efficient airflow. The sturdy steel brush tackles ash buildup in the burn pot. It's built to withstand tough cleaning jobs. Remove ash quickly and efficiently. This brush helps maintain optimal performance and extends the life of your stove. This kit provides everything you need for a thorough cleaning. Keep your pellet stove running smoothly and safely. What we like. This kit comes with 2 brushes, one for vent pipes and another for cleaning the burn pot. It's a comprehensive solution for thorough stove maintenance. If you need a complete cleaning solution for your pellet stove, this is the one for you. What people say. The added benefit is the great little steel brush you get with the set for cleaning the burn pot. It does a fantastic job getting in all the corners of the pot. The brushes are a good size for 3-inch pellet stove pipe. The flexible cable can only be used in one direction, feed, and pull through. The small whisk brush are good for the burn pot cleaning. The brush kit was just as stated and worked perfectly. The chimney pipe was on a camping tent stove and I tried to find a brush to fit in it. This unit works great for the job. Number 3. Rutland PS Pellet Stove Brush. This brush is designed for easy cleaning of your pellet stove. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. With its 3-inch size, it's perfect for reaching those hard-to-clean areas. You'll get a thorough clean every time. This brush makes cleaning your pellet stove quick and easy. Say goodbye to stubborn ash and residue. It's built to last with high-quality materials. You can rely on it for years of reliable service. The secure 1/4-20 thread fitting ensures a perfect fit on your pellet stove. It won't come loose during use. Simply attach it to your cleaning system and start brushing. It's that simple. What we like. It features a 1/4 to 20 thread fitting for easy attachment to various tools. Its compact design makes storage a breeze. If you need a brush with a standard thread fitting, this is a great option. What people say. Bought this to use for cleaning out the pipe for the pellet stove and it works perfect. Worked in genuine part, not a knockoff. Perfect. Using to clean inside, flue, of my 3-inch SS double-walled chimney pipe, cubic mini wood stove. Number 2. Rutland 3-inch vent brush. This innovative brush makes cleaning dryer vents and pellet stovepipes a breeze. Its flexible design and soft bristles ensure a thorough clean without causing damage. Reach even the most difficult areas with its 20-foot long handle. It bends and flexes to navigate tight corners and angles. The 3-inch poly brush is perfect for most dryer vents and pellet stovepipes. Its soft bristles won't scratch or damage your pipes. Say goodbye to difficult vent cleaning. It's designed for easy use and effective cleaning. The soft bristles protect your pipes from damage during cleaning. It's gentle yet effective. This versatile brush tackles both dryer vents and pellet stovepipes with ease. Keep your home safe and efficient. What we like. This one stands out with its extra long 20-foot handle, making it ideal for exceptionally long vent pipes. The soft bristles protect your pipes from damage. If you have unusually long vent pipes, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Worked perfect for my pellet stove. Product is sturdy. This works well on my stove. Number 1. Rutland 4-inch vent brush. This innovative brush makes cleaning dryer vents and pellet stovepipes a breeze. Its flexible design and soft bristles ensure a thorough clean without causing damage. The 4-inch poly brush head is perfect for tackling even the toughest clogs. Its durable construction is built to last. It features a 10-foot flexible handle that easily navigates bends and angles in your venting system. Reach those hard-to-reach areas with ease. The soft bristles are gentle on your pipes, preventing scratches and damage. It's the safe and effective way to clean your vents. Say goodbye to frustrating vent cleaning. This brush makes the job quick, easy, and efficient. It's designed to effectively clean both dryer vents and pellet stovepipes. Keep your appliances running smoothly and safely. What we like. It's designed with a larger 4-inch brush head, perfect for wider pipes. The 10-foot handle provides ample reach. If you have larger diameter pipes, this is the brush for you. What people say. Flexible. Does good job of cleaning soot from vent pipe on my pellet stove. Recently purchased a pellet stove and bought this to clean the vent flue. The flexibility of the product means I don't have to disassemble my flue vent to clean it. This saves having to recaulk all the joints in a flue vent and makes it easier to do the required maintenance. Ideal for a 4-inch pipe. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.